Welcome to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Do subscribe to my channel. Today we are covering the Hindu dated the 15th of April 2026 and telling you what to read and what to skip for UPSC aspirants. These are the must-read articles especially for economy, growth, industry, trade and financial markets. If you are reading the Hindu dated the 15th of April 2026, then don't waste time reading everything. I'll tell you the most important economy articles for UPSC. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. First article, IMF cuts growth outlook, warns of recession. You can read in the business page 14. Subject relevance, economy, global institutions, growth. Why important? IMF growth forecasts influence investor confidence and policy decisions worldwide. A recession warning indicates slowdown in trade, jobs and investments. Very important for GS Paper 3 and Prelims. Next article. Auto wholesales log 2.83 CR. In FY26's war casts shadow. You can read in the business page 14. Subject relevance, economy, manufacturing, industry. Why important? Automobile sales reflect consumer demand, industrial output and economic activity. War conditions can disrupt supply chains, fuel prices and exports. Important for GS Paper 3. Next article. Danish firms shifting out of China prefer India. You can read in the business page 14. Subject relevance, economy, FDI, global supply chains. Why important? Many firms are adopting China Plus One strategy. India benefits through investment, jobs, exports and manufacturing growth. Very important for GS Paper 3 and interview. Next article. Oil shock may cut growth by 0.8% but India can handle. You can read in the business page 14. Subject relevance, economy, energy security, inflation. Why important? Higher crude oil prices increase inflation, import bill and fiscal pressure. India's resilience depends on reserves, diversification and policy management. Very important for GS Paper 3 and Prelims. Next article. Gold ETFs attract 31,561 crore rupees. In March quarter amid conflict. You can read in the business page 14. Subject relevance, economy, financial markets, investment. Why important? During global uncertainty, investors shift toward safe assets like gold. Useful for understanding ETFs, market sentiment and risk behavior. Important for GS Paper 3. Next article. Consumption growth uneven among largely rural states. You can read in the opinion page 7. Subject relevance, economy, rural development, inclusive growth. Why important? Consumption is a major driver of GDP growth. Uneven rural demand shows regional disparities and income stress. Very important for GS Paper 3 and Essay. Next article. Maharashtra's textile industry suffered 4,000 rupees crore loss. You can read in the Nation page 4. Subject relevance, economy, MSMEs, industry. Why important? Textile sector is labor intensive and important for exports. Losses impact employment, MSMEs and state economy. Important for GS Paper 3. Why these topics matter together. Read all these topics together. Global slowdown affects domestic growth. Oil prices influence inflation and fiscal balance. Manufacturing and FDI create jobs. Consumption drives GDP growth. Financial markets react to uncertainty. These topics are interconnected. Very important for UPSC mains analytical answers. What to skip today? Skip routine stock market noise. Skip company-specific promotional news. Skip short-term speculation without policy relevance. Focus only on growth, inflation, investment, jobs and structural trends. Quick revision keywords. IMF, recession, GDP growth, auto sector, China Plus One, FDI, crude oil, inflation, gold ETF, rural consumption, textile industry. If you want daily the Hindu UPSC filtering, subscribe now to Sankalp